Let us study major insect pests of pomegranate now. This fruit is affected with thrips. Sucking by the thrips on the flowers and tender fruits create this mark. It remains on the matured fruit also, leading to the rejection of fruit for exports. Leaves and tender shoots curl like this, affecting the growth of the plant and hence the yield. Flowers infested with thrips may drop. Spray systemic insecticide Dimethoate 2 ml in 1 liter of water before flowering. If thrips infestation is very severe, spray 1 ml Monocrotophos or 4 grams of Carbaryl in 1 liter of water, once at flowering and once again at fruit setting. Keep the plant base free from weeds. Mealybug is also a major pest on pomegranate. It colonizes and sucks sap from shoots, flowers and fruits. Black sooty mold grows affecting the look of the fruit. Severely infested fruit may drop down before maturity. Mealybug takes shelter if the fruits grow in bunches like this. So, retain one fruit at a point. Severe infestation of mealybug on the shoots results in yellowing and drying of the twig. Remove affected leaves, shoots and fruits and destroy by burning. Loosen the soil surface once in a while around the plant base. Spray 2 grams of Verticillium lecanii fungi in 1 liter of water. If the infestation is severe, spray 2 ml Dichlorvos or 1 gram Acephate with 5 grams of fish oil soap in 1 liter of water. Do not use pyrethroid insecticide to pomegranate, which increases mealybug. Aphids. Young and adult aphids suck sap from tender shoots, leaves and flowers. It results in curling of leaves and shoots. Black sooty mold grows on the sweet material secreted by the aphid. Spray systemic insecticides like Oxydemeton methyl 2 ml or Dimethoate 1.7 ml in 1 liter of water on fresh sprouts. Releasing ladybird beetle, a predator, is also effective. Likewise, mites and whiteflies do infest pomegranate plant. This is mite damage. This scar affects the look of the fruit, leading to rejection for exports. Spray 2.5 ml dicophol or 2 grams of water dispersible sulphur in 1 liter of water at flowering and tender fruit stage for the control of mites. White flies suck sap from leaves, leading to yellowing, curling and wilting of the leaves. Keeping yellow sticky trap is effective. If the infestation is severe, spray 3% neem oil or 5% neem seed extract, 1.5 ml Triazophos in 1 liter of water may also be sprayed. Fruit borer is another major pest of pomegranate. The adult female lays eggs on 30 to 40 days old fruits. The larva bores through the skin and feeds on the pulp and seeds. Fruit gets destroyed inside, and the excreta of the larva comes out of the entry hole with foul smell. Damaged fruit may drop down. Fruit borer infestation is more between August and October months. Collect damaged fruits and destroy by burning. Keep the garden free from weeds. Releasing Trichogramma parasitoide at the rate of 1 lakh per acre 4 times at 10 days interval is very effective. Spraying Bt bacteria once a week is also useful for the control of fruit borer. If the problem is severe, spray 4 grams of Carbaryl or 0.5 ml Dichlorvos in 1 liter of water once in 15 days from fruit set to fruit ripening. Another major insect pest of pomegranate is fruit-sucking moth. Female insect lays eggs on the weeds. Larvae grow by feeding weeds. Adult moth has elongated pipe-like mouth with which it pierces the fruit and sucks the juice. Gradually, the pierced portion of the fruit decays. This moth is active during night hours. Keep the garden free from weeds. Light trap can be used to attract and kill the moth. Put fire to an old tire and walk across the garden. This smoke repels the moth. Destroy the damaged fruit by burning. Spraying contact insecticide in the evening hours is effective for the control of fruit-sucking moth. Short-hole borer is another major pest of pomegranate plant. Adult female lays eggs on loose bark of the main stem. These small beetles bore the trunk and the roots horizontally. Thus, it obstructs the movement of water and food, resulting in yellowing of the branches. This insect spreads to adjacent plants in the garden, creating patches of affected plants. Infested plant produces large number of small fruits and dies. Small horizontal holes are seen on the lower portion of the main trunk. Beetles migrate from dead plant to nearby healthy plant. This short hole borer can spread to the entire garden if neglected. Fungus causing wilt may also enter the plant through these holes. Normally, short hole borer attacks bigger plants of 5 years and above age. Uproot the dead plant and destroy by burning. Prepare a solution of 4 ml chloropyrifos or 6 grams of Carbaryl in 1 liter of water. Loosen the soil around the affected plant and drench 5 to 8 liters of the solution twice a year. Drench the same solution to the pits after uprooting dead plant. Take out loose bark of healthy plants. Put 10 grams of COC, 6 grams of Carbaryl and 1 ml of neem oil in 1 liter of water. Add red clay soil to make the solution thick. Paint this to the main stem to avoid short hole borer. Likewise, stem borer is also seen boring thicker branches of the pomegranate plant. Affected branches show yellowing and may dry eventually. We find wood powder coming out of the entry hole of the insect on the stem. Cut off the affected stem and destroy by burning. Clean the hole on the stem with a metal wire. Push 2 to 3 ml of Dichlorvos insecticide into the hole with a needless syringe and cover with wet mud. Problem of root knot nematode is seen in many gardens. Mildew is the common type of nematode found. This microscopic worm lives in the soil and sucks saps from the roots. The affected roots develop knots and the plant shows stunted growth. Deficiency symptom of micronutrients is seen on the leaves. This nematode spreads to new gardens through the soil in the packets of nursery plants. Growing marigold as an intercrop in severely affected garden helps a lot for the control of nematodes. Put 1 kilogram of neem cake and 50 grams of carbofuran granules to each plant every year to avoid nematodes.